What's up, everyone? Today I want to show you Deep Draft. It's basically the best draft assistance for Brawl Stars out there. Whether you're trying to climb ranks or just want to get better at understanding the meta, this thing's got you covered. So we're starting right there at the menu. Deep Draft is basically a bunch of tools powered by this AI engine that crunches through tons of match data to give you solid draft recommendations. Best part? It's totally free. Runs in your browsers, so no downloads needed. And unlike some competitors who shall remain unnamed, there's absolutely no quotas. You can use it as much as you want, whenever you want. There is no limits, no paywalls, no you've reached your daily limit nonsense. You've got four main tools here. There's the draft tools. This is your main guide for the real draft. You've got the tier list, which is the quick way to see what's good. You've got global tier list, per map rankings, per mode breakdowns, and even broader focus list. You've got the draft draw, which is a practice mode where you can go 1v1 against any AI that you want that is available on the website. And finally, the database explorer if you wanna nerd out on the stats. Now, let's jump into the draft tool first. This is what you will use during the actual draft. It's pretty simple. You pick your map, you pick which team has the first pick, let's say the blue team, and boom, Deep Draft gives you recommendations for your turn right away. You can choose between different engines. There is Deep Draft, there is Deep Draft Plus, and Deep Draft NNUE. Right now, the 33.ml engine is the smartest route out there. It's smarter than PL Prodigy, smarter than Metapic, smarter than anyone else. And because I want to provide the highest quality service possible, it's already up to date with the latest meta where Edgar, Colette, Negia, among others, still rule. So the AI looks at a bunch of stuff, the win rates, the pick rates, overall work together, counters, even full team comps. It simulates the entire draft, looking multiple steps ahead to see what could happen. The recommendations aren't just about right now, they're about the whole draft. You can win rate percentages for each pick, plus it shows what could happen next. So you're not just picking for this turn, you're seeing the whole draft where it's going, right? This unique display that you can see here is actually designed to help you learn drafting, not just follow suggestions blindly. By seeing the full picture of how the draft could play out, you start understanding the why behind each recommendations. Deep Draft isn't just about giving you answers, it's about helping you get better every single day. So eventually you won't even need the tool. Wanna practice without the stress? Deep Draft lets you go against the AI in a fake draft. You can crank the difficulty from Mythic 1 to Masters 2, which is great for warming up before a tournament or just getting better at drafting in general. The AI, as you can easily guess by the name, is exactly the same AI as in the draft tool. So whenever you face him, you can have smart picks and bans. You're not playing against some dumb bot. This thing knows what it's doing and it's doing it well. And sometimes when you just wanna quickly see what's good without doing a roll draft, well, you use the tier list, right? Pick a map, like literally any map, all ranked map are available, even the newest ones, and boom, you end up with all the brawlers ranked for that specific map. These rankings use the same data as the draft tool, the win rates, the pick rates, the synergy stuff. It's super handy for figuring out what to practice or which brawler to upgrade. The color tiers make it super easy to see what's actually good at a glance. You can filter stuff and compare brawlers across different maps too. And get this, every single tier list is constantly updated. Like literally every dataset on the web pages gets refreshed regularly. You can even export the tier list as an image if you want to share them or use them somewhere else. Now, if you're into stats, the Database Explorer is where it's at. You can look up specific brawlers, maps. You get the use percentage, the win percentage, and right next to it, the score from whatever engine you've selected. It's really useful if you want to understand why some brawlers work well together, or if you're doing your own meta-analysis. You can also pit brawler against each other to see their use rate, their win percentage, and the engine score across different maps and mode. If you're really trying to master everything, this is the tool for you. So, how's this thing actually working? Right now, we're looking at the engines, and you can see that it's thinking in real time. You can see the progress that is going up, the variety that is going up, etc., etc. Behind the scenes, there's this huge database of match data, and the are crunching through win rates, pick rates, synergy, counters, all of it for every brawler on the map you selected. When you ask for recommendation, the AI runs this search that looks multiple steps ahead, simulating different draft paths to figure out which one gives you the best shot at winning. And it all happens in like seconds, right in your computer. As an addition, I would like to actually help you get the most out of all the tools that I've suggested. Tip 1: use the draft tool during the real draft. The recommendations are clutch, especially later on when the picks get tricky around, legendary, masters, this kind of opposition. Tip 2: before tournaments, check the tier list for the maps you're playing. Figure out which brawlers you actually need. Tip 3: practice with draft duel. Even like 5 to 10 minutes before you play helps a ton. Start easy at like Masters, no, just kidding, at Mythic, and then you work up your way up. Tip 4: use the Database Explorer if you're struggling against a specific brawler. Look at what works well to face it with the use percentage, the win percentage, and the engine score to help you figure it out. And the most important tip, the fifth and last one, don't just copy the recommendation blindly. Use them as a guide. If you understand why something's recommended, then you will make better decisions even when you don't have the tool open. And here's the thing, critical picking is crucial. If the engine suggests a brawler you don't want to play at all, maybe you're missing gadgets, maybe you're missing hypercharges, maybe you're missing star powers, or you're just not good with that brawler, well, you can obviously just look at the other suggestions. The tool gives you options, not order. Finally, I would like to warn you that deep drafts always getting updated with new stuff. Hop in our Discord servers to connect with other players, give feedback, and stay in the loop. The tool's totally free and kept doing by me, Azurus41, and the community that keeps on suggesting new features to improve Deep Draft as we know it. It's also in a bunch of languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Chinese, and Portuguese, so players from all around the world can use it. So, to conclude, whether you're casual and just want to understand the meta better, or you're grinding ranks and trying to hit the top, Deep Draft's got what you need to step up your draft game. Start at the menu and check everything out. Draft tool for the real games, tier list for quick meta check, draft duel for practice, and database explorer if you want to get deep. Hit up the link in the pinned comment and give it a shot. It's free, it's powerful, and it might be extremely useful to help you winning more drafts. So thanks for watching and catch you on the leaderboard.